Hey everybody, welcome back. We are at the Dry and Shine in Hamilton. You can see the sign right up there. And this is all because of the poll that we did on YouTube. Around 55 people voted, and I think it was around 60% have chosen this over the surprise tunnel wash. I'm going to have to apologize for a little bit of wind noise because it is quite windy today, so I'm going to do my best. Before we get started on this though, I have to give a special shout out to a couple of big fans of the channel in the Wisconsin area, Riss and John. So this one's for you. Hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. Cue the music. Alright, so let's see here. We got the same dirt that the other ones couldn't get off there when we did last weekend. We did the double feature. We did the Laser Wash 360 and followed that up with the Tandem Surfline, and very surprisingly, it did not get this van clean. Now, I'm sure there's a little bit extra dirt that's gone on this, but just light, nothing major. A little bit up top there, but a lot of this was on from last week. If you haven't seen last week's videos, make sure you do that. So I have, I gotta be honest, I have my doubts. I'm just gonna mount you right on here. I have my doubts a little bit with this being touchless and there's still being a lot of dirt on the van. We'll see, but this is an attendant wash, and so they might do a bit of prep at the beginning, which will help. They might be able to get a lot of it off before we even go through. Touch screen to begin. Oh, I didn't even touch it. By a single wash. By press here for exterior washes. Ultimate Touchless down here. So it's a little bit less money than the Touch. $16.99. We're going to do credits. Let me get my card.
Be sure to fully insert your card into the payment slot before following the instructions on the screen. You may also pay by using your contactless card or mobile phone.
Okay, I'm just going to do the tap.
Please insert your card.
There's our receipt.
You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the sign.
Okay. Go through here. Alright, I'm just gonna mount just there for a second. So yeah, with taxes and everything, it came to $19.20. So he's doing the kind of a pre-wash, little prep on that, so he's gonna notice a lot of the dirt and try and blast that off. So that's pretty cool. We'll see how that does. And this is why when it comes to the tunnel washes, I love it when there's an attendant. It definitely helps. Really good coverage. Wow, that is crazy coverage. Really, really good. I'm feeling more optimistic now. You can see how none of the brushes are going. We did the touchless. Good use of the LED lights. Also, with this being touchless, we're not going to get the buffing. But you'll be able to get a good view of them because they're not spinning. Very cool. Looks pretty neat. See behind, not much. So yeah, it looks good. Super smooth. I haven't even put it in gear yet and it just sends you right out. All right. Back where I was here. Let's see if it got it clean. All right. Yeah, still got some dirt. Wow, and you can tell how strong those jets were. And the van, in all fairness, the van's really big, but you can tell the jet hit here and here, but not there. It's right through there. Still got all the mud spots. Yeah, see, look at that. Look at how clean, and then there's like a perfect dirt line right across. It's because the van is so wide, see? It's clean, dirty, then clean, and then dirty. You got these strips in that. You know, the van's so big that the jets are so close, it doesn't allow the water to fan out. But the jets there are very strong. It was super loud. The microphone's not going to pick it up properly, but it was really loud inside that van. So, but, well, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you pleased with how well it did? Do you think it was going to do worse, better, or what? This might be on here really good. Well, I don't know. I can just barely, I just touch it lightly with my finger and I get it off. So, I don't know. Yeah, let me know what you think. That guy was blasting that area with the with his pressure washer, but well, I think for next weekend I'm going to do the what I call the surprise tunnel. I know which one I'm going to. I'm just going to keep it a secret, have it as a surprise for next weekend, and I feel super confident that it's going to clean this van, and we're still going to have all this dirt on it, and probably we'll pick up some more through the week. And we'll see how it does. So anyways, like, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment. I love hearing what you guys have to say down in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. I don't know if I'm pleased or not pleased. It's to be honest with you, it's about what I expected. I think it's definitely better than the Laser Wash 360 that we did last week, that's for sure. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. That's what the majority of the vote picked. So anyways, thanks for watching, everyone, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.